The High Court ruling from 3 of Britain's most senior judges argues the sovereignty of Parliament, that as it was Parliament that gave its authority to Britain to sign up to the European Union, then it was for Parliament to undo that legislation. It's about the process, not politics, said the lead claimant in the case, Gina Miller, an investment manager leading the so-called People's Challenge against Brexit.
The judgment, I hope, when it's read by the government and they contemplate the full judgment, that they will make the wise decision of not appealing, but pressing forwards and having a proper debate in our sovereign Parliament.
For UK Prime Minister Theresa May, though, it's seen as a major upset. She's insisted the summer referendum in which the UK voted to leave the European Union gave her the power to bypass Parliament using the royal prerogative. In Parliament, one of the government's 3 Brexit ministers said there'd be an appeal to Britain's Supreme Court.
The government is disappointed by the court's judgment. The government is determined to respect the result of the referendum. This judgment raises important and complex matters of law, and it's right that we consider it carefully before deciding how to proceed.
In Britain's financial district, the City of London, traders welcomed the ruling and the value of the pound surged. From the European Commission in Brussels, a terse no comment. The High Court didn't instruct the UK government on what actions to take next, nor specify what form a parliamentary Brexit vote should take. In reality, this ruling doesn't need to be the death knell for Brexit. It does, though, have the potential to slow the whole process down and create further uncertainty. It is also the clearest indication we've had so far of the rocky road that lies ahead for Brexit and the British government. Richard Bestic, CCTV, London.